Hello friends, welcome to DCS Techie. This is Yashwantan. Today we are going to see how to export Apple Prores with 5.1 audio in Adobe Premiere Pro 2019. We are going to export that in 2K resolution 2048 into 858, which is the DCI provided scope. Right click inside the project panel, click new item, click sequence. Over here, go to settings, click the frame size to 2048 and 858 over here. Then go to tracks, select each and every audio channels and click delete. Then go to the master, use multi-channel, not 5.1 over here. We are going to export 5.1 only, but I suggest multi-channel. In the number of channels, click 6. Add 6 channels, then pan the first audio channel to left, second audio channel to the right, third audio channel to the left, fourth audio channel to the right. Pan the fifth audio channel to the left and pan the sixth audio channel to the right. Click the output assignments. You can see 1 and 2 is checked. For track number 1 and track number 2, leave the default assignments. It will be usually in 1 and 2. Go to the track audio 3, click the output channel assignments. Uncheck 1 and 2, check 3 and 4. Similarly, go to the track audio 4, click the output channel assignments, click 3 and 4, uncheck 1 and 2 and click OK. Go to audio number 5, click output assignments, click 5 and 6, uncheck the 1 and 2, click OK, and finally go to audio number 6, click output assignments, click 5, 6, uncheck 1, 2 and click OK. Click OK again. Now import the 5.1 audio and the video. Double click inside the project panel to import. Select all individual channels of 5.1 and your video file. After that, click open. Simply drag the video and place it in the timeline. If your source video and your timeline settings are not matched, then the Adobe Premiere will ask you to change the sequence settings. Don't change the sequence settings at any cost. Drag the left channel to the track number 1, drag the right channel to the track number 2, drag the center channel to the track number 3, drag LFE to track number 4, drag LS to track number 5 and drag the RS to track number 6. It is in the Smpte order, that is LRC, LFE, LS, RS. Click File, go to Export, select Media, choose QuickTime, and after that in Video Codec select Apple Prores 422HQ. See, by default it is 720 x 480. What you need to do is scroll down in the video tab and click Match Source. Now it is changed to 2040 x 858. Go to the audio, scroll down, in output channels select 5.1, LRC, LFE, LS, RS. This is the Dolby and Smpte order. Choose this one. And finally, click Export. Before that, just don't forget to name the output name. Just name the video and click Save. Then simply click Export. Go to the exported location. Right click the exported file. Click Open With. Click QuickTime. The video will open in QuickTime. Simply click Ctrl I in Windows or Command I in Mac. Now you can see 5.1, LRC, LFE, LS and RS. Now we are cross checking it whether it is working properly or not. So we are importing the exported video simply into the Premiere Pro. Right click in the project panel of the Premiere Pro. Go to New Item. Go to the sequence. Over here, go to the settings. Name the resolution as 20, 48 and 858. Go to the tracks. Now click 5.1 master. Delete each and every channel over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Delete everything. Click add. In the track type, click 5.1 and click OK. Now drag this video into the timeline. You can see each and every channels are playing separately. Kindly check our book Digital Cinema Scissors, Technical Procedures for Creative Edit and Aesthetic Final Delivery. This book will be available online in 10 countries. Kindly check the description for the respective countries. Thanking you. Please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanking you.